Today, we're adding a creepy and fun, spooky floating ghosts effect to your video. Whether you're making a horror edit, a Halloween clip, or a spooky short film, this effect adds the perfect ghostly vibe. Let's get into it. First, import your video into CapCut and tap the clip to select it. Now head down to the bottom toolbar and tap Effects. Next, choose Video Effects. From the category list, go to the Decor tab. Here, scroll until you find Floating Ghosts and tap to apply. Instantly, you'll see eerie transparent ghosts drifting across your footage, adding a supernatural look to the scene. To customize the effect, tap on it again. You'll get two important sliders. Speed controls how fast the ghosts float. Slide right to make them move quickly and dramatically, or left for a slow, haunting drift. Atmosphere. This adjusts the opacity of the ghosts. Increasing it makes the ghosts look solid and bold, lowering it makes them faint, subtle, and more realistic, like real paranormal shadows. You can also adjust the effect duration on the timeline to decide how long the ghosts appear. And that's it. You've added spooky floating ghosts to your video in CapCut Mobile, perfect for horror vibes, storytelling, or Halloween content. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more CapCut Mobile tips.